Hey Year 3, welcome to Friday's maths lesson. Well done for another brilliant week of home learning this week. Before we get started, let's have a look at some of the amazing work on scaling and correspondence problems that you've sent in this week. What a fantastic job, well done. I know how much all of your teachers love seeing your amazing work. And should we just have a quick look at that TT Rockstars battle as well to see if 3H is still leading the way after day 3?
They certainly are. Well done 3H and to everyone who's logged on to TT Rockstars. I've put the 15 top scorers for the challenge so far again at the bottom. I wonder if you can spot your name or your friends' names. But even if you're not on that top 15, well done to everyone who's logged on.
Wow, fantastic job 3H, and well done to all the children who've logged on to TT Rockstars this week to practice their times tables. Now we're almost ready to start today's learning, but first it's time for another starter to get our brains in gear. And yesterday we sang Doubling Machine, and I hope today you've got your axes ready because we're going to sing another song and we're going to chop some numbers in half with Chip 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 the Chopper. Here we go.
My name is Chip, 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 the chopper, and I chop, 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 numbers in half. My name is Chip, 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 the chopper, and I chop, 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 numbers in half. Like 8, chop, 4, and 4, chop, 2.
My name is Chip, 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 the chopper, and I chop, 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 numbers in half. My name is Chip, 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 the chopper, and I chop, 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 numbers in half. Like 20, chop, 10, and 10, chop, 5.
My name is Chip, 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 the chopper, and I chop, 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 numbers in half. My name is Chip, 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 the chopper, and I chop, 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 numbers in half. Like 18, chop, 9, and 12, chop, 6. My name is Chip, 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 the chopper, and I chop, 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 numbers in half. My name is Chip, 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 the chopper, and I chop, 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 numbers in half. Like 100, chop, 50, and 50, chop, 25.
Now, as I mentioned yesterday, we finished our work on multiplication and division for now. We're moving on to a new maths topic of money, which Miss Cole is going to look at in lots of detail next week. So today, we're going to look at money and we're going to just go back and recap some of the things you've already learnt in school about money, and we're going to see if we can recognise all the coins and notes and see if we can count money together. Firstly, let's see if I've got some coins in my wallet that we might be able to recognise. Well, I've got these two copper ones. I've got this small silver one. I wonder if this one has the least value because it's the smallest coin. I've got some more silver ones. And then there are a couple that have a gold edge and silver in the middle. And then I've got a few notes as well. There's this one, and this one. And there is an extra note as well that I'm not rich enough to have in my wallet, but I wonder if you know what it is.
Can you write down the value of each coin? And does the smallest coin have the lowest value? And do you know which note isn't pictured? Press pause now to have your best go and then press play again and we'll check together. Let's check. The copper coins are the 1p and the 2p. The silver coins, well, the smallest one is 5p. You've got 10p, 20p and 50p. And then the gold and silver coins are the £1 and the £2 coin. The notes I had were £5, £10 and £20. And you might know that the one that wasn't pictured is actually a very rare £50 note. So, which is the smallest coin? That's right, the 5p. And does it have the lowest value? No, actually 1p has the lowest value, but it's a little bit bigger than the 5p coin. You might be lucky enough to have a few coins at home to help you with your money work as well, but if not, that's okay. If you're lucky enough to have a printer, I've sent you today a sheet with lots of different coins on that you could cut out. But even if you don't have a printer, not to worry, you could draw around coins or rub over them like the picture here, or you could just draw your own coins on paper and cut them out. Or you might not need coins, you might be able to add them together mentally. We've done the first part of our learning objective, which is to recognise the coins and notes. Now let's try counting them. When there's only the same type of coin like we've got here at the top with the 5p, that's nice and easy because we could count in 5s, 2s, 10s, whatever that coin is. Let's try and count the 5p's together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 lots of the 5p coin is 25p. Now, what do you think we need to count in to work out how many 2p coins there are in total? That's right, we can count in 2s. Let's do it together. 2, 4, 6, 8. There we go. 8p in total. Now the bottom one is a little bit trickier. Why do you think it's trickier? It's got a mixture of coins, so we're going to need to count in 10s, 5s and 2s to work out the total. The first thing I might do is count the 10s. 10, 20, 30. Then I might count the 5s. 5, 10. Well, that just gives me an extra 10, so I know I've got 40p so far, and then I just need to add on the 2p, and that gives me 42p in total. Let's have a go at your turn now and see if you can independently count up some coins. Just press pause on each of the challenges that you want to complete. For the Chili 1, can you count up the money? And then for the second Chili 1 challenge, can you count the mixture of money? Chili 2, can you work out how much money is on each side and use the greater than, less than and equal symbol to compare them? And then see if you can solve this problem as well. And finally, Chili 3 involves the notes as well, and you'll need to give an explanation about whether you think Ron is correct or not. Good luck. Don't forget to go back, press pause on any of the challenges that you want to complete, and then press play again and we can check the answers together. And here are the answers. Just press pause on each page for the answers of the challenges that you've attempted and see if you can mark your work. If you have any questions about any of the answers, or you want to share your brilliant work, please email it to the Year 3 at frenchprimary.worcs.sch.uk email address. We love to see your amazing work. Well done again for a great week of home learning, and see you all again next week. Have a lovely weekend.